Today, we're diving into the legendary story of Scania, the Swedish underdog that transformed from a bicycle factory into a global trucking titan. From frosty Nordic forests to the Australian outback, Scania's red and white beasts dominate highways worldwide. But how did a tiny workshop in Malmo beat Detroit's giants? Let's shift gears and find out. 1. Humble beginnings, 1891 to 1940s, 1891 origins. Founded as Svenska Aktiebolaget Scania, bicycles and Vabis, railway cars. Merged in 1911 to build trucks, starting with the LB76, a 1.5-ton truck with a 2.2 liters engine. WWI Innovation supplied the Swedish Army with rugged trucks. Pioneered electric starters and unclosed cabs in the 1930s, decades before U.S. rivals. Surviving WWII. While Volvo focused on tanks, Scania's L10 truck kept Sweden moving with wood-gas engines during fuel shortages. 2. Post-war powerhouse, 1950s to 1980s T-cab revolution. Launched in 1958, the modular cab design let mechanics swap engines/axles in hours. Became the blueprint for modern trucks. V8 dominance. 1969's 14 liters V8 engine, 350 HP, shocked the industry. Nicknamed the King of the Road, it powered long-haul trucks across Europe. Global expansion. Entered Africa and South America in the 1970s. Australian miners dubbed Scania the outback workhorse for surviving brutal desert hauls. 3. Engineering marvels, 1990s to 2010s modular systems. Scania's Super Engine family, 1995, allowed 50,000-plus configurations. Operators could customize torque, fuel efficiency, and emissions. Fuel efficiency wars. 2004's R-Series cut diesel use by 10%, beating Freightliner and Volvo. U.S. truckers joke, Scania is so efficient, it runs on fumes. Racing glory. Scania's S730 won the European Truck Racing Championship 6X. Its 12.7 liters V8, 730 HP, became a cult icon. 4. Modern mastery and future tech. 2020's present. Electric revolution. 2020's 300 kilometers range electric truck targets Europe's green loss. Silent, zero emission, but struggles with U.S. long-haul demands. Self-driving trucks. Partnering with Simple, Scania tests autonomous convoys in Sweden. AI handles icy roads better than human drivers. Hydrogen gamble. 2023's H2-powered prototype promises 1,000 kilometers range, but infrastructure gaps persist. From pedal bikes to hydrogen trucks, Scania's 130-year journey proves that Swedish grit beats brute force. If you think Scania deserves its King of Trucks crown, smash that like button. Comment below, should Scania challenge Tesla Semi in the USA? Don't forget to subscribe. We've got more epic truck tales coming.